So welcome to your December update. If you look over my right shoulder, you can see the old manor house in all of its glory. And you might be thinking that not a lot has changed on the outside since we put those windows in, and you'd be correct. So lots of the activity that's been going on for the past few months has been inside, and we get most of the Jubilee building back this week. I'm going to take you on a little tour in a bit, but Ben & Jerry's is done, Dove is approaching completion, the bathrooms have been redone, the public areas are looking great, and we're really excited to share that with you, and finally to give you a show around of the bedrooms as well. So I'll take you on a tour of the Jubilee shortly. In front of me, which you can't quite see, is the cottage, which the Sodexo team have been restoring, so really excited to show you around there. And then as we head into January, the reopening of part of the building, so we're looking forward to, well, fingers crossed, who knows with COVID, but getting some people back in that building. And Fouric is starting to operate again as a leadership centre. And then while that's going on for the months of January and February, the focus will turn to the manor house and all of the works that are planned in there. So let's take you on a bit of a tour. So you find us down in the south car park, the backup car park with a building behind us that you might not have seen before. And so this is a cottage that was actually used by one of the old managers many years ago, and then it was rented out for a while, and for a long time it's kind of fallen into disrepair. So the Sodexo team have had it as their project over the last 6 months, and they've stripped everything out, stripped the walls. They've had it all replastered, they're in there currently painting, and then tomorrow the kitchen comes and the bathroom starts late December, early January, and then all the furniture and all the lighting's ordered. And so this is going to be a really exciting place. It gives us 2 more bedrooms that we can rent out generally, but it also gives us a self-contained 2-bedroom apartment for slightly longer term guests or for relocation. So why don't I give you a show around? Okay, here we come in the front door, which is a new front door, by the way, and then down, it's a bit dark down here, but hopefully you can capture this. This is where the office will be, so we'll have a desk along there and a chair and a, well, nice view out into the forest. Downstairs, loo, and then into the kitchen where the ladies are painting. Hello ladies, just going to squeeze past. So this doesn't look a lot like a kitchen, but it will be a kitchen. It's into the lounge. So all these windows were really rotten and they've been replaced. Oh, some strange noises going on in here. And then into, this looks like it's going to be the dining room. So again, nice little bay window. There's a rather ropey looking shed out there which has got to go. And still a lot of clearance to be done. Nice little fireplace. So this will be, head back out again, and then we'll just scoot upstairs. Into what will be the bathroom. So there's going to be a freestanding bath here, loo, shower, sink, vanity units, really big bathroom actually. Into the second bedroom, so there'll be 2 single beds here with a nice little unit in between, and then into the first bedroom. So we have a double bedroom and a couple of side units, and some nice light fixtures. So that's the cottage site. So this is the main entrance, and we're going to go through the black doors. So all of that is going to be replaced, a new glazing and a new fascia. So that's going to be really cool. And then you can see the frame for the new reception area. So that's going to extend all the way through to those posts that you can see there. So you're going to have quite a large reception area here. And if only Geeta were here, she could wave from her old reception desk, or at least what's left of it. So that's the manor house through there. And actually not a lot has happened in that area. Slightly more exciting if we pop through here, and if the cleaners will let me in. So here we go. So we're heading over to the Jubilee, and this area has largely been finished now. And so we're going through snagging and cleaning and just tidying various pieces up. So here we are, back into the Jubilee Room. Now, we've been building that wall there ahead of us. There's going to be a large piece of art there, which kind of welcomes you to the Learning Centre. As we come down the stairs, when you come back, hopefully you'll hear the burbling of water. And so the water feature will be reconnected. And part of that is because it's nice and it's a nice sound, but also it's a connection to our site in Singapore, which has been based on the water theme. So here we are. Oh, hello. Ha! That's me coming down the stairs. So there's a lot of furniture going in here, but largely this area hasn't been changed dramatically. But if we come into this area, it has. So this was the old servery, where we had, I think it was an ice cream fridge and some drinks fridges. So there will be 2 water taps on there. And as I swing around to the opposite side, this is the servery area. So you can see these really cool taps, actually you can almost see. So that's actually a coffee machine. So there'll be an iPad just to the side of there, and you press the coffee that you want. So all the gubbins is in the bottom, which leaves us a much cleaner area. And as you can see here, we've got a shutter which comes up and down. So actually we will be able to serve from this hatch, and that's part of the vision for this area, that it's going to be somewhere where we can serve breakfast or lunch or whatever from. So as I continue to walk through into the Ben & Jerry's breakout area, the furniture has not been installed, but one of the things that has been done are these lovely new roof lights. And the lighting in here in general, everything is now LED, and it gives a much softer, nicer look. So walking into like the Death Star, almost, with this wonderful black ceiling. So this, and all of the fabric panelling on the walls have been replaced, and then to the front side. So then let's also go through here and see what's happening in Dove. So open the door and the grand reveal. Ta-da! Look at all that space. So all of those tiers have gone now, so we've just got the final tier. And we've got cushions that will be coming to go all around that perimeter. So we'll be able to seat around that perimeter. And if I just go up these steps here, then this is the view that you're going to get backwards. Now in the middle there, the whiteboard screen is obscuring our brand new LED wall. So this has got the same functionality as we have in Ben & Jerry's. And I think you'll agree, this is a really exciting space.